Hi, my name is Theron Schaub, and I'd like to provide to you a little bit of historical perspective using these two coins. I've got one copper coin and I've got one silver coin, and they're going to represent different years of the S&P 500. So for instance, in 1974, we lost 26.5%. However, 1 year later in 1975, we gained 37.2%. If we take a look at '02, in 2002, we lost 22.1%. However, in 2003, we gained 28.7%. In 2008, we lost 37%. However, in 2009, we gained 26.5%. Now, this brings us up into today, 2020. So far in 2020, we've lost over 20%. However, it feels like we lost much more. Now, obviously, we can't predict what's going to happen in the future. We can only look at what has happened in the past. And if we look at the S&P 500 from 1926 until 2019, the average 1 year return following a 20% market decline is 14.21%. So hopefully this provides for you a little bit of historical perspective, because I know it sure does for me. My name is Theron Schaub. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys all next time.